Okay, we're going to have a look at a couple of area questions. We're just going to try and answer them, making sure that we are being mindful and considerate when we are doing our answers. So to start off with, when we're doing our maths questions, we're going to use a blue or a black biro to answer them. Very demure. Then we're going to write our rule. So for our first one, we have a square. So we're going to write that area is equal to side squared. Very mindful writing down our rule. Then we're going to write down our working out. So we can see the side is 5 meters. So we can write 5 times 5 or 5 squared, and we will get 25 meters squared. We're writing our units. Very cutesy, making sure we've got all our details there. Then we go on to our next question, area of a rectangle. So we're writing area is equal to length times width. Very mindful, making sure we're writing our rule. Then we're going to write our working out. We're going to write 6 times 3. Very considerate. Then we're going to write our answer. 6 times 3 is 18. We're going to include our units, millimeters squared. Very cutesy, finishing off our question, making sure we've got all the details. Then our last question, we've got an area of a triangle. So we're going to write our rule. We're going to write our half base times height, or BH over 2. Very mindful, making sure we're writing down our rule. Then we're going to write our working out, being very considerate, writing out a half of 11 times 7. Then we can use our calculator. Very mindful, making sure that we're not working out anything incorrectly. So we can do our 11 times 7 and we can divide by 2, or we can do our 0.5 times 7 times 11 and we get 38.5. We don't want to forget our units. We've got kilometers. Kilometers squared, making sure we've answered our questions fully. Very cutesy, very mindful, very demure, making sure we're answering our questions the way our teacher wants.